2022 Ford F-150 Ecoboost. This is what it sounds like before. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. 84.5. Again. 2022 Ford F-150 XLT Ecoboost V6 Turbo. What we got done on it's only got 600 miles on it, guys. Factory converter there, factory converter there, then it winds into a single. We left the resonator so it doesn't drone inside. He didn't want it a lot louder, he just wanted about 50%. And then we went with a straight through design Carven R series right there. There'll be a link in the description. There's the part number right there. Then we wide it out from there, out the back, mandrel bent tailpipes on each side, there and right there, into our signature massive 5-inch black tips, right there and right there. That just like that, it's done. There's the muffler, there's the old flex pipe that comes on it, and the factory tailpipe. And you can tell it's still practically brand new right there. But it looks better like this. I think you guys agree too. So. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 2022 Ford F-150 Ecoboost STX 3.5 liter turbo. Check it out, guys. Sexy truck. What we got done on this beast, under these covers, there's cats there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then we left the resonator on it. He didn't want any drone. I always recommend leaving the resonator on these, the Ecoboost. If you don't, it will drone inside and it'll sound funny. So try to always keep it on. And then you can always get it taken off later if you want more sound. If you're a first-time exhaust kind of, person changing exhaust, I would leave that resonator on these Ecoboost and the 5.0s because it does get a lot louder and a lot more drone inside the vehicle. So there's the factory resonator. Then we took the massive muffler off and put a Magnaflow Magnapack, part number 10419. So Magnaflow finally started making 3-inch Magnapacks. So we asked and they listened. Appreciate it, Magnaflow. There'll be a link in the description for you guys right there. Then 3-inch tailpipe continues into a 4-inch black roll tip to finish the look. Right there. Just clean, nice. Not overly done, just clean. Don't want a little bit of sound, nothing crazy. So we delivered. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, check it out. 2021 Tremor F-150 3.5 liter Ecoboost. Sexy blue. And then we got the Scooby that we're doing some work to too. Why not? Anyways, what we got done on this beast. Check it out, guys. We don't do these every day. True duals. So factory converter there, factory converter there. Everybody wants us to put an X pipe on. Here you go. We put you guys an X pipe. Then 2.5 pipe in the middle. True dual all the way back. Muffler deleted. Everything deleted. Then these tremors come with 3-inch tailpipes like the Raptors, as you guys can see, on each side, there and there. So we left those on. They're perfectly perfect. And the only thing we did is took off those tiny tips, those 3.5-inch tips, and replace them with massive 5-inch tips to complete the look, to fit it. As you guys can see right there, it just looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, and it just really fits the truck. There you go. I like the look of this F-150 though. I like the color of it. It's clean, just nicely done. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think of the sound in the comments. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. 22 Ford F-150 with a Carven dual system, custom bed. Perfect. I like it. It's deep. You want it louder? You want it louder? I can make it louder. Another 30 minutes? You want to keep it for 30 minutes? Yeah, good. Your sound decibels? Right at 95. Again? Carven R system? All right, go ahead and back it up. He might change his mind and make it louder in a week. We'll see. Drive it down the road, see how you like it, you know? Nice F-150 XLT Sport EcoBoost. Can't beat the fuel mileage on these things though. See the Chevy made a 4-cylinder turbo? No, they have a 4-cylinder turbo Chevy Silverado. We've done a few. I like it. It's deep. It's not like raspy. It's clean, you know? You see that? Like I was telling you about the 5-inch, how it makes it deeper?
Okay, that's good.
Let you guys hear it on the inside. Dad says it's perfect, so we gotta go with what he says. Here's sound decibels. Again. So right at 98. It's still got a nice deep tone to it though. And it'll break in, it'll get a little bit louder in about 30 days once the compressor's going. Ford F-150 SXT. That don't sound too bad, I like it. It's deep. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you like it. Let us know what you guys think. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Yeah, so much better. Glad we went with the X-Pipe. It cancels out the drone, the exhaust cabbage. Perfect. Here's sound decibels. 106. So it's nothing crazy, but just nice. If nothing else, he'll gain some horsepower out of it. True opened up now. There's the mid pipe that was on it. There's the resonator. There's the wide pipe. And there's the muffler that was on it that we took off too. Much better. And back it up. Tremor F-150. Anybody want some cereal and spaghetti? Just let me know. We're passing it out. That's perfect. What do you guys think of the sound? Let you guys hear it on the inside.
And this is what it looks on the inside. Real clean, really nice.
Look at how it's tucked away right there. You see that right there? That's just clean. Don't you guys agree? I like it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this beautiful truck. Do you like the new front end on them? Or do you not? And what do you think about the new Lightning electric one? With the frunk. Perfect. No rasp whatsoever. That's perfect. Enjoy, guys. Ford F-150 SXT. Magnaflow Magnapack. It's like a factory resonator on it. 4-inch black tip. He didn't want it crazy loud. So that's what we did for him. Ecoboost fly. Enjoy, guys. Ford F-150 True Dual Tremor Ecoboost. Really nice gold accents. Matches the wheels. Just nice. I like it. Let's see how fast this thing can go. Oh, he's setting up. Perfect. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.